Morning guys.
Hi.
Where are we going today, Natalie?
We're at the Allergy and Free From Show Scotland. It's a bit of a mouthful, I had to double check there. Also today there is a vegan show, which is like kind of partner or not. We wanted to come to this last year, but because of all the really bad snow we ended up getting cancelled, so the whole show's back bigger than ever than before because we couldn't come last year, so let's check it out.
And hopefully I get some free goodies. So how cool is this? This is us just in, and here's all the stuff that Natalie usually buys in the supermarket. Also, can we see your wee lanyard you've got? Look at our wee lanyard. We're an influencer.
I don't know how I feel about that.
How cool is a wee Genius van there? And a wee guy giving out stuff.
This is our new goose bread protein punch, so it's 50% more protein, really good for your gut. And we've teamed up with Moorish and they do our pea hummus, which is vegan and 50% more protein as well.
Do you want that?
No, I'm alright, you try it.
It's actually so good.
That good? The hummus, pea hummus just didn't sound too good to me.
No, it tastes really good. You can't really taste the peas,
Nah?
but it tastes really hummusy.
Right.
Some Genius pancakes with gluten-free, dairy-free spread.
Oh.
They're really nice. It's pancake day on Tuesday.
Check out this wee guy. We get to take him home?
No, it looks
We can't. I don't even think we can buy him, can we?
Yeah.
And this place here's got hundreds of cool sweets and all that. This is definitely for me. Imagine you could try all these. I'd be all in about them. Can you? So just to show you here, there's two shows going on. The green carpet there is the free from stuff, and the pink carpet is the vegan. And it just shows you here as well.
Just V Show Scotland, which is pink, and the Allergy Free From, which is green.
So, just a wee guy standing there with a cat protection league, and look, Natalie got caught, and now she's all signed up. What you like? You're a sucker.
I'm signed up for a raffle, but I love cats so much.
I've always wanted one of these air fryers. Look at all the stuff you can cook in it. Sausages. And look, they're doing chips as well.
So despite Chris telling you everybody that he wanted to try everything, so far it's just been me eating. So
what you got?
Lemon and coconut cocoa, K-O-K-O. Actually amazing, to be fair.
You good?
Yeah. It tastes very lemony, but I love it. Don't know if any of you love Heck as much as me and Chris do, but here we've got a Heck stall with any four for £10 and a free cool bag. These pork and apple ones sound amazing, to be fair. And we've got some zesty chicken, some smoky paprika, spring chicken. Sounds really good. So we've got some happy snacks here, gluten-free, dairy-free and nut-free. It sounds like a bit of me, pizza flavour, lightly salty, and salt and vinegar. Do you want to try some?
We're going to see if we can get some of the pizza flavoured stuff.
Let's go.
It smells like pizza. Doesn't really taste of anything. They look pretty cool, but they don't really taste anything.
I like them, they do, they taste organery.
Aye, but there's no
That's a
pizza
made up
taste.
word.
That is a made up word. There's no pizza flavour.
And we have one of my favourite breakfast biscuits, which is Nairns. These here are like my go-to, to be fair. These red onion ones I had earlier, and they're actually amazing.
I'm going to try a bit of that apple and cinnamon bar.
So good. Try the red onion. I love it.
The apple bar's better.
Chris isn't much of a tea drinker, but this does sound quite nice. Some yogi tea, some Nazani tea.
Nah, tea's not really for me.
Try some tea, guys.
I'd love to. What is this?
We have yogi tea. This is, they've both got essential oils in them. This one has lemon grass and green tea. And this make you happy, and this one has lavender, chamomile and hops, which helps you sleep at night.
Sure. Can I try some of this, please? I know, I love these.
So this is the safflower tea, and that is herb coffee. Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
I'm drinking that tea.
do you like it? Let me see it. Oh, it looks like tea.
It does, it's a really lemony taste, it's really citrusy. I did kind of want to try the other one, but it says good night, and it's 10:30 in the morning.
You don't want to go to sleep?
No.
So I've got some stuff here, some fat-free cooking. How cool are these? Quite like the look of this. Now you get some of this for my protein.
I love this one.
Aye, they're cool, isn't it? I like the speckles as well. I don't really know what this guy's cooking, but he's making me hungry. Look at the stuff he's got going here.
I think he's making pancakes.
Oh, is he making pancakes? Thank you for hanging around. He'll give us some. Look at this crazy stuff here for your teeth. This is the exact same stuff that Conor McGregor uses, isn't it? You put this wee bit here on your teeth, or that girl over there. So I got this cool wee stall here called Yogi Tree. It's got pretty cool like dresses and outfits and stuff. How cool is that? Then we've got one of these big things here like this in our bedroom. Ours is green, but this is obviously like a blue, well a pink colour, sorry, it's not blue. Actually, Natalie, the debate, is that pink or purple?
It's pink and purple, and my tights are pink.
What do you think, guys? Is that pink or purple? I'll say it's purple. Like these wee things, they're cool. How cool are they? Oh, there's a wee elephant here. We got a wee elephant here as well. So we've got this cool wee stall to rewrap your sandwiches and that instead of using foil. We've got these wee cloth that's here. There's just all the cool patterns you can get as well. Tigers. The unicorn one there's pretty cool, eh? There's a wee unicorn one here. That's cool.
So if you want either like a rinse just like very liquid hot soap and water, or you put the velvet like that, it can go in the washing machine as well at 30 degrees, so you're going something after.
That's cool.
And because of the design, it's 2 bits of bread, but you can also do 4 bits of bread. Say you've got like a baguette or something long and thin, you rather than folding it as a square, you roll it like a tube, so you can kind of get a long thin with the Velcro, you know, marrying up like that, so you can get something that's sort of, you know, half a baguette sort of size.
That's magic.
More like your appetite.
Aye, I would need it for a baguette
Or
probably.
by 2.
We've also got the Warburton's gluten free here as well. We had a wee look at this a minute ago, but we're going to see if we can get something to eat. We'll get some wraps here. Let's see what we've got. So what did you get from the Warburton's?
Something with red onion in it.
I think it was hummus and high protein wrap.
I'm loving the hummus today. I can't stop eating it, so good.
Is it good? Will you get it again?
I'm gonna go back and get another bit.
We're just about to order some cakes for the Butterscotch Bakery.
What are you fancying?
Check out these. I'll take red velvet. So we'll get red velvet.
So whereabouts
I think
are
that's
you guys?
caramel.
Just on my end, just Highland.
Some cupcakes. Check on this.
These are adorable.
Aye, they're cool, aren't they?
Are you inside?
So this is us just getting our cake.
Thanks so much.
How good does that look? Looks good, doesn't it?
I'm being filmed.
You're being filmed.
It's perfect.
Doesn't need to be perfect, don't worry about it. No, it's alright. It's only going to be on YouTube, don't worry about it.
Here's one we made earlier. Shall I do it with Nigella Lawson? Sorry, we're being filmed. We're on one of the strings.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, she's dropped it. Take 2, we'll do it again. I'm just patiently waiting and Natalie come back so I can get in about my cheesecake. Well, no, sorry, it's not cheesecake, it's just a red velvet cake.
You're obsessed with red velvet cheesecake currently.
Here's just give you a wee bit of a better look at a red velvet cake. It looks dynamite.
These pieces are huge.
I know, $3.50, which is not too bad. How is it, Natalie?
It's actually amazing. It's one of the best things I've ever tasted. I never even knew they existed. They said they were in the West End. I'll definitely be back.
So get some gluten-free pies here. Some nice, oh, and black pudding, sorry, as well. Some pork and apple as well. And I think we get a wee taster here of just the normal pork pie.
Pork, chicken stuffing, and chilli.
Right.
It's pretty amazing.
They're good. That first time you've had pork pies in a long time because...
Over a year, like over a year.
So we went to the wee stall there and we just got curried chickpea rolls.
They're actually really good. They taste like chutney, mango chutney. Chris got some this time as well.
Oh aye, they are really good. It does taste like mango chutney actually, it doesn't taste like curry.
That's really good. The website is genius, and apparently the best is on the website, so definitely check it out.
We're now just going to go a wee wander around the vegan part. We actually came and tried some of this follow your heart stuff, which is all salad dressings and that. Unfortunately we didn't like it, but you might. It wasn't really that good. We're just going to head over here, where Natalie is, to the Sesame Kingdom, and I think this is sesame seed cakes, right?
Sesame paste.
Sesame paste.
To help herself when we get scared.
Just check out all these flapjacks. They look amazing. We've got these wee cool shampoo bars. Look at that wee moon, that's pretty cool, isn't it? A wee frog.
Yeah, so we were down at the
Kills a wee owl as well. Just about to see if we can get some homemade sponge cake here.
Do a bit?
Aye, get me a bit if you don't mind.
Feel free to try our sponge cake there, it's used with our white mix.
Right.
It's really tasty that.
Aye, that's cool, isn't it? I like that. This wee booth here's got a lot of bread and stuff and sponge cake.
We have sports drink here called Active Root. I think Chris is going to try some. Want to feel better during exercise. Sounds quite good actually. I'm not a fan of ginger, but Chris is going to give it a wee bash.
This is green tea and ginger. Oh, that's dynamite. I don't like ginger or green tea. I could drink that all day, definitely.
It's supposed to be good for you, like a sports
Do
drink.
you want to try some stuff?
Not at all.
No, it's nice, really nice. Quite refreshing actually, really refreshing. We're going for the peppermint and ginger this time. Oh, that's good. That's lovely, by the way. That's really good. I like that stuff.
Oh, right, yeah.
Really good. Just at the back of the hall here, we went and just got a wee goodie bag. What's in our goodie bag?
So we got some fairy liquids, some kitten stuff,
Some cat treats.
and some coconut and lang lang shampoo. That's
Oh,
amazing.
shampoo. Oh, you're...
I love anything with coconut in it. And beetroot and apple fruit bar.
Yes.
And some vouchers.
How cool is this company's teapots? We just went and got our Heck sausages. We get 4 packs for £10 and we got some cool flavours. We'll show you them when we get outside. I'll just show you what we got from Heck.
I love you got this little cool bag. How cute is that?
Yeah, the bag's pretty cool.
So 4 for a tenner.
Which is quite good.
We've got Simply Chicken, which is just chicken sausages. Some Chicken Italia, which is chicken with mozzarella. Sounds a bit of me, to be fair.
Does sound good.
Some pork and apple. I tasted these while we were at the stall and they were actually amazing, so yeah.
And you can't get these in the shops now, I don't think, can you? Well, down our bit you
Down
can't
our
anyway.
local bit you can just get the plain ones. And spring chicken, which is just spring onion, chilli, ginger and chicken.
Sounds pretty good.
That was recommended to us by the person who worked there.
And what did you get from Genius?
So Genius, when I go to the market, it's like £3 for like a roll or a loaf or anything, and they're doing a thing really good, 3 for a fiver or 7 for £10. I'm not going to use 7 things for today, so I just got 3. So I got some cinnamon and raisin bagels, and some rolls, and I got some pancakes because it's Pancake Tuesday coming up. So 3 for a fiver is amazing. I'll jump on that.